How do you apply transdermal patches? Now, in the last video, I told you about how they work, and in this video, I'm going to tell you all about how to apply them. And my name is Blogging Brandy, and you're going to want to know that. So these are the 8-hour energy patches, and what you do is you peel them off of the backing that they come on. You peel them. So you see how fast I did that? I peeled it off, and now I'm sticking it on my skin. So I'm sticking it, and then after I stick it, I smooth it down. So I'm smoothing it. So peel, stick, smooth, and then whenever I'm ready to take it off, I just remove it. Peel, stick, smooth, and remove. That's how you apply the transdermal patches, and those were the 8-hour energy patches, and my name's Blogging Brandy. But the great news is that whenever you get the energy patches, or at least the 8-hour energy patches, they come with this lovely application form, and it tells you not only how to apply them, but where to apply them. Shoulder, abdomen, calf, upper arm, forearm, and lower back. I'm pretty sure I hit all of those.
Hopefully I answered that in 60 seconds or less.
That answers your question. If it doesn't, and you have another question, or you want me to clarify something, put a comment in the description below this video. If you love these 60-second questions and answers, hit the like button below and let me know. That way we can keep posting these. Or, like I said, if you have another question, put it in the comments below. I'm Blogging Brandy. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can be notified every time I post another one of these, like, genius 60-second question. Yeah. And then you stick them to the surface that you want them to stick on, and you smooth them down. And they're not smoothing because I used this one over and over, but I can still do this just as fast, okay? I used that one already, but we're using another one, so that's why that one didn't stick. Oh gosh, 30 seconds. Okay, so the first thing you do is you peel it off.